Okay, question 38. Aled has 3 concrete slabs. 2 of the slabs are square with each side of length x meters. The third slab is a rectangular and measures 1 meter by x plus 1 meters. 3 concrete slabs cover an area of 7. Show this. Show this quadratic equation derived from this practical, sort of practical situation here, where you've got a square slab, as you do, of side x meters. So you've got, here's your square here, x. Yeah, because this is a square length, it says square with each of side length, sides of length x. Well, each side is x, isn't it? Because it's a square. So the area then will be x squared. Okay. Now that's times 2, isn't it? Yeah? You're timesing that by 2. You can draw another one if you want. Okay. Okay, because you've got 2 of them. And then you've got a rectangle. Okay. That's measures 1 by x plus 1. Okay, something like that. Doesn't matter about my scale there. Okay, so the area of this then would be 1 times x plus 1, which is x plus 1. So the total area then, okay, will be these added together. The areas added together. So this area here, which is x squared, plus this area here, which is x squared, plus this area here. Remember this area you got just by doing length times width. So it's x plus 1 times 1, so that's x plus 1, and it says the total area equals 7, so it's 2x squared plus x, and then if you take that 7 over, you become a minus 7, and you get exactly what they want. So then it says part B, solve the equation to find the length of each side of the square slabs. You must justify your answer, decision you make. Now, square slabs, okay, so we're interested in what x is basically, so find the length of each side. We want to work out what x is. Just got to solve this. So you solve it, by 2 brackets, so multiply add thing. So here you're going to have your 2 brackets, 2x in both of them. Okay, now of course you're gonna do 2 times minus 6, that's minus 12, and it's going to add up to that number there, which is 1. So 2 numbers now, 4 and 3 sounds good to me, and that would have to be minus 3, wouldn't it? So you get 1 there. 4 minus 3 is 1, times them you get minus 12. Good, so plus 4 minus 3. Divide the whole thing then by 2, right? Because you times by 2 at the start, and then you notice then this bracket here has got a factor of 2, so take that out. All over 2, and the 2's cancel, right? Those 2's cancel, so you got that, and then you put it equals to 0, of course, because it was equal to 0 there. So you say like x plus 2 equals 0, or 2x minus 3 equals 0. So that means x is minus 2, or 2x equals 3 if we take that minus 3 over, which means x equals 3 over 2, which is 1.5. Now, it says here, justify any answers you make. Now don't leave it like this, right? Because you've got to ask yourself now, does that make sense, right? This is a bit weird anyway, the way questions set up. They've got these slabs and they measure them in terms of x, right? But that's the way they've done it. But, x equals minus 2, there's no way would that happen. You can't have minus 2 as a length, right? Okay, that's just silly. So think about what x actually represents. X represents a length. You can't have minus 2. So you just say, look, this is impossible. This is impossible. Okay, you can't have negative length. Okay, so you just say then x equals 1.5 meters. Okay, and you're done.